What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today what we got going on, a little bit of everything, man. I call this a scatter vlog because I got so much going on. But the other day I pulled a battery out of Jmalcom because it was dead, man. I ain't crunked the car up in a minute. I got it on the charger. Charging up. My fam DJ bought this for me, man. Y'all remember he gifted this to me, man. That thing is a lifesaver. So we got that. I'm finna move brown coat out, and I wanted to switch some stuff around, man, but I ain't even gave y'all the update on this, man. I mean, if you on Jmalcom 2004 ride, y'all seen I dropped the vlog, man. I changed thermostat over there, told y'all I'm doing all the technical stuff over there. This the more laid back, have fun type stuff over here. This tech, how to, and all that business. But I changed the thermostat in the Joker. Let it run. I ain't got a chance to let it heat cycle, so I'm probably gonna do that too over here. But y'all see that joke still on jack stand, man. I don't know who put that drain plug in. They need their butt kicked, man. They need their butt kicked for real, boy. That drain plug is not budging, man. So now I got to go ahead and buy the expensive cover anyway, man. I gotta go ahead and buy the expensive Moser cover so I can put oil in it. Or you can get the Trick Flow. They got different brands, the Summit brand, but they just don't look as good as the Moser, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the Moser cover on that thing. Then when I'm done with it, I transfer it over, put on wife's car. Cause y'all know I figured out what I'm gonna do. Now this rear end still got 26 spline axles in it. I'm pretty sure, cause I done looked when I took the brakes, so I ain't no special axles in here. So wife's car don't have to be 28 spline. So I'm going to literally take the carry out and stick it over her car, and I'm going to buy all brand new stuff for this rear end because I do 28 splines all the time. Car I try to make, well, I do make more power and stuff. So her car going to always be a cruiser, but it should be able to burn some tires now with a little more gear and a 3-speed. She going to be able to burn some tires and stuff, then be able to twist up and all that. Yow, you know, put a little cam in it. So what I'm going to do is go 28 spline Moser, 28 spline carrier. I'm still undecided on the gear. I might go 73, maybe. They're probably gonna be pretty ideal in the situation what I'm in right now. I might go 73. So I'm probably gonna end up 73 in this car. And that's gonna be that. Now some more good news. And it's probably what I'm gonna title this video. Dolo will be back next week. For sure. Dolo gonna be back next week. His brother had a untimely finish, so he coming to hold the fort down. Dolo gonna be back next week. Stay tuned for that. That joker might have oil pressure now. You don't know with me, it might have oil pressure now. Ain't no telling. But y'all just stay tuned. I'm finna move brown coat out though, cause wifey said she finna shoot her a little video. She finna turn the world's strongest woman again. So y'all gonna wanna check that out on her vlog. I'm probably gonna put a little bit over here too. She got something she finna do. So I'm finna debo some of her. Man. I really plan on taking her for a ride in the truck too later. Cause she got to feel in there with that new Showtime power. And I need to watch this joker too, man. I ain't watched this truck, y'all, in months. I ain't watched this truck since my cookout. I don't think. This last year. That's crazy, man. I keep this nag covered up. But I'm finna uncover this joker, give y'all that cold start. And then we're gonna debo some of wifey on vlog, man. Don't tell it though. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all see, man, look. I pulled a brown coat out, put it back up. Cause I told her she wanna use it for her video.
Yeah. Y'all, I attempted to push the truck.
Yeah.
Tired, though. It just wasn't a day, y'all. It wasn't a day. I'm for real. I'm tired right now.
I was gonna give y'all a sneak peek of her doing it, but she just, I don't know.
My legs like, they about to give out.
What about your legs?
I feel like it's about to give out. I'm serious, y'all. You didn't tell me that I did work out earlier.
I worked out too. See, look. She was saying she worked out, and I worked out too.
It's not an excuse. I'm not making an excuse. I'm just saying I'm a little bit more tired. I'm not fresh like, you know, before. When.
Yep. Time to put her to work. She even go in the pool, though. She got to go in the pool and clean. You ready to go in the pool and clean in the lake?
Really?
Yeah, man. I was going to give y'all a sneak peek of that, but I didn't. Cause she was looking like this. But anyway, now the whole point of the video for real was to let y'all know in real time that Dolo, on a serious note, Dolo engine is finished, man. It finally finished. Man. Dolo engine is finished. I might pick it up tomorrow, man. Only reason I said I'm gonna pick it up 2 days from wherever y'all seeing the video. Or y'all might be seeing it late. I don't know. If y'all seeing it late, I might already have it and it might have oil pressure. But from the time of me shooting the video, I said I'm gonna pick it up 2 days later because it actually is supposed to rain today. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow. But the day after that it don't. And when I go pick it up, I'm sticking it straight in the truck. I said the truck, man. I'm so, boy, the truck. I took it up the street, man. That's one thing, man. I took it up the street, man, and got loose a little bit for a reel. But I might stick it in this video, man. I'm gonna do some more stuff tomorrow too in the truck. Tomorrow, if I catch the weather good, I plan on doing some testing in the truck. If the weather be good, man, cause see it breezy now. That's why I ain't finna do it today, cause it seems like it's gonna rain. But if it feel good tomorrow, man, y'all be seeing some testing, man. I'll probably be seeing some testing in the truck, cause I got some stuff I need to try. But I'm saving that for another video. But the engine is back. It ain't back. I'm sorry. The engine done, man. I got that phone call I've been waiting for today, and this joke is done, man. Where am I? God damn. I'm trying to unbuckle this joker. I gotta get that. Y'all know I got to get y'all that good thumbnail. Sorry, some of y'all might be mad. Saying, hey, Jay got oil pressure. Nah. This time I'm not playing with y'all, man. Nah, I ain't got oil pressure yet. Sometime I be saying stuff and be for real. I actually do be done made a move and y'all don't know it. But this joker here, maybe it got oil pressure, maybe it don't. Nah, I'm just playing, man. It ain't got oil pressure yet. But the engine done. The engine is done, man. I'm ready. And get that good thumbnail for y'all. Got to get the thumbnail. Alright. Pull the cover off just for the thumbnail. But we got a busy week. Y'all know anytime I come to y'all and say it's a busy week. It's a busy week. Y'all know it's gonna be some action. Cause we're gonna have oil pressure. I gotta do a summit run. A lot of the cars gonna be getting stuff done too. A whole bunch of the cars gonna be getting stuff done too, man. It going down. I promise you it's going down. So we finna have this come. Oh, I finna crank this up for y'all. That's why I've had the door. Crank this up for y'all right quick. Then let's see if it gonna hit on the key. Man, I ain't got no power on. Turn the power on. Hey man, a shout out to y'all too, man. That been sharing that around about my boy Carl. Yes, sir. Ready? in there ready. Woo-hoo. Count them off. Had to let y'all hear it, man. But I'm finna cover it up before it rain for real. But yeah, man. I wanna come on this video too to just tell everybody, man, me and Rick and his wife, man, Tasha, man, we appreciate everybody that been sharing the video, sharing the stuff around, hitting the email with info and all that, man. Really do appreciate everybody. Like I said, y'all seen my video the other day, or well, yesterday. Y'all seen my video, man. This stuff had to be said. It is what it is. Like I told y'all, I'ma always keep it 1,000 with y'all. People be wanting to see me mad. They be wanting to see me mad so bad. I don't know why. They be wanting to type something and hope it make me mad, man. But I promise to God, I put it on my mama grave. She dead and gone, man. Rest in peace, Bernie Jmalcom. Y'all know I ain't gonna lie on Father God. I promise to God, them comments don't bother me. Y'all, I'll just run the check up, man. You cannot get mad if you making money. You just can't, man. You can't get mad if you seeing some paper. No matter how you seeing it, man, you can't get mad about that. They say money don't buy happiness. But it damn sure make life a whole lot easier, man. It don't buy happiness, but money create happiness. Stop saying the old-timey phrases, man. Money don't buy happiness. Money creates happiness, man. When your lights about to get cut off, that shit ain't, man, it ain't no fun, man. It ain't happy. It ain't happy, man. When if your car get repossessed, or your account get overdrawn, that stuff do not make you happy. Stuff like that make people kill themselves. For real. It make people commit suicide. A lot of people, if they had more paper, man, it'll fix a lot of their problem, man. Not having paper creates stress. Stress leads to other stuff, other problems. Stress leads to health problems. Stress leads to mental problems, personal problems, relationship problems. When you got that paper, man, it make a lot of this stuff easy. It just, you got to learn how to balance it. When you get an abundance of paper, you got to learn how to handle that stuff and handle it, man. You know, you got to act like you got some sense. Because if you do, you'll stay happy. Because don't get me wrong, it's a lot of wealthy people out there that ain't happy. Because they got money, but they ain't got everything else. That's why I say it take a balance. They got all the money in the world, they ain't got nobody to share it with. Or they ain't got a happy relationship. Or, you know what I'm saying, they ain't got a happy household. It's something missing. You know what I'm saying? That's why I said, can't nobody take my joy, and I done found true serenity. Because I'm truly happy, man. I can come on here, and I've been happy for years, even before I started vlogging. You know what I'm saying? I wake up every day in a great mood. Me and my wife don't have problems. My kids always happy. My kid healthy. Everybody in my house healthy. My in-law. Why am I gonna be mad at what somebody say on the internet? Come on now, make it make sense. Why am I gonna get mad because I done read somebody say some bullshit about me, or something about a car, or something that I said about a car, or said I'm out of character, or I'm out in my feeling? Why would I get mad about that when I'm gonna cut this camera off, or I'm gonna cut that phone off and go to my wife who's smiling, or go to my kids who want me to play with them, and they happy and laughing and stuff, or my in-laws and stuff who smiling? Why I'm gonna be mad? How I'm gonna stay mad on seeing all these smiling faces? Man, folk crazy. Make it make sense. But when I am mad, I would tell y'all I'm mad. Like I told y'all when I took the lady for a ride and nobody hardly looked at that video. That made me feel a certain way because it was positivity. And God put it on my heart to create positive content. That's why I don't chase the check. The check come, don't get me wrong. But I'm gonna be brutally honest with y'all. I do very good financially. Very good. My wife, very good financially. Cause we a team. But if I wanted to go from here to way up here in a few months, like double my income, which is gonna do it anyway. If I wanted to do it at a super rapid pace, which is growing fast, but if I want to do it at a super rapid pace, I know what to do. It's just that I'm not gonna sell out and do that. It's easy to make big paper fast when you know what to do, but it just is you gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? Just like if somebody say, hey, you want to take the road, but you're gonna have to play a gay man and do some stuff. You just that's against your beliefs, man. But they gonna give you that check, man. We're gonna give you $100 million to play that part. Is you gonna do it? You can make that paper quick. That's a quick $100 million, man. We're gonna give you that role. It's a 30-minute part. We're gonna give you $100 million. You got to play this gay man. No offense against that community, but I'm just saying, for somebody that don't believe in that, you got to play this, and then you got to do some stuff that's vulgar, and it's against your belief with another guy. Is you gonna do it to make that paper fast, or you gonna grind it out and you already, let's say you making $1 million a year, or you making $10 million a year. Let's say you already making $10 million a year, but you can get that $100 million. If you do that bullshit, you can get that $100 million in 30 minutes, or you can grind it out and get that you at that $10 million a year, and then after 3 years you start making $30 million a year. Yeah, it's gonna take you maybe 7 or 8 years to hit that $100 million, and it took you longer, but you ain't sell out. You still stood on what you believe in. That's me. That's where I'm at. What I'm saying with my content, the way I move. Oh, I can turn up if I wanted to, but I ain't gonna do that. That's again what I believe in, man. But yeah, that's my real talk, man. I told y'all that what y'all gonna be getting over here, man. Some good times and all that. And like I said, before we go though, I ain't gonna do y'all like that, man. I'm gonna throw that turn up footage in here, man. I'm gonna show y'all what I did when I went out today. I'm probably gonna turn up tomorrow too, but I told y'all I took the truck out, man, so y'all peek that turn up footage right quick. Woo-hoo. Hey, didn't that brown coat turned up, didn't it, boy? Brown coat turned up for real, boy. Hey, man, wife got the footage. She got that footage, man. That's one of my real, but I spread it out. But brown coat, boy, that's something serious, boy. I said, I ain't gonna leave y'all like that, man. I'm gonna give y'all some turn up footage and stuff, too, along with some real talk. But like I said, the main thing is Dolo back, man. Not back. Dolo coming back. The engine ready. I should say that. So, yeah, man, that's it. I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.